Can anyone confirm? You are able to see my screen, right? So here, if you see here, basically, uh, we have to prepare the one report along with the certificate to college submission. Okay, so what are the things you require to do, and what you will get from our side, and what you require to prepare from college itself, that I'm clarifying now. And still, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, so the first thing is, like, we have to prepare the internship report, which covers 20 to 30 pages, which should be more on at least 25 pages plus. You should make over that what do you call document, okay, by covering all the content. And here the first thing is cover page. So cover page means it is purely from your side, like title of the report, and like welcome page in the report, your name and roll number, organization, and academic year, name of the institution where you worked. That is the first page you have to clear. And acknowledgement page mostly will be given by the college, and you have to prepare this declaration and acknowledgement. These two pages, the first page will be title page, second one acknowledgement, and the third one declaration. Okay, so these three will get from the template or the content, sample content from college itself. You can get it from existing your seniors or existing report, or like your respective college coordinators. Okay, these three sections will get from there. And coming to the fourth one, certificate, this is what we are providing from our side. And many of you are asking one of the question, like, sir, you are providing the certificate, not the offer letter. Yeah, sure. Like, see, basically, offer letter will provide at the time of starting of the internship. But as per your need, like, initially, no one is asked the offer letter to submit to the college. That's why we didn't release. But still, we are giving opportunity to for everyone. Like example, if you need offer letter also for your personal interest, yes, next week you can request to the office people, or you can come and visit the office and you can take the offer letter. Yes, we will give you. But for this report, it's not required. For report, only the requirement is certificate, not the offer letter. Okay, if you want offer, that is for your personal purpose only, to keep it with you only. There is no need of submitting the offer to the college. College is only required certificate, that is confirmation certificate. Okay, so that the certificate whatever we will give you, that copy you have to paste as part of the fourth page. Okay, and now, and whatever the copy we will give you, so it is a digital copy, right? You can take a color print and you can put it over in this particular fourth section. That is the certificate. And again, I'm repeating, offer letter if you want, we will provide. You can come our office, or you can request to the office people, they will send you offer letter also for your purpose. And fifth section, table of contents, it's nothing but index along with the page numbers. And see, this is abstract. This is we are providing abstract of the project. Okay, and you can paste as part of sixth section abstract. And after that, the regular project content will be start. Introduction, this we are providing. Organization profile we are providing. Organization profile we are giving. And project description, nothing but which includes like uh, so which includes like maybe requirements or any kind of description about the that all project description or project introduction part, that all you can mention as part of C section. And coming to the D section, it's mostly talks about your analysis. Okay, like feasibility study or analysis, like existing proposed and advantage disadvantage, that stuff you can put it in the D section. Okay, this also we will only provide. And coming to the E section, learning outcomes. The learning outcomes, nothing but from this internship, what you learned or what you gained knowledge. Okay, so that is you have to elaborate as a paragraph, which we provided as a weekly worksheet, right? So I given one weekly worksheet, which includes weekly by what chapters. I mean, that's what content we covered, right? So that all you can put as a one paragraph. Like example, I learned project creation using Django and I mean that what do you call Python, and where I learned how to create a template and how to customize the template and how to integrate with the database and how to perform the login and registration. Likewise, whatever the content I given, make that all content as a paragraph and put over in the learning outcome. Along with that, if you want to learn anything else, you can put it over there. And finally conclude. This is also we are giving as part of the project document. The conclusion as it is, you have to copy paste here. And the last section G is appendices. Appendices means it is optional column, optional section. If you want to add any additional information about your project, let's take example, you are having your title and you googled it, you got some more information, that kind of information you can put it over here. So it's a kind of additional under I mean that content or additional chapter which may part of other sections, okay, but it's optional. Yeah, that's all. So this is the last section. So these are the sections what you required, and make sure that all together these all pages from start to end, make sure that at least it should come 20 plus pages. And if something like, see, if what I can say, that if it is not getting that much in tech, this section is there, right, technical work, where you can mention about your languages. Like example, as part of this you are going to be learning HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, right? So that about that what you learned in HTML and what you are learning, I mean to say hardware software requirements. So that you can mention. And see, if you see that database management and what database MySQL you are going to be using, right, and what type of login registration while you're doing CRUD operations, right, that information you can provide here. If possible, sample code you can provide, like example, how you are connecting with the database, or how you are handling the login page, or how you are handling the CRUD operations, or HTML basic sample code, like that. The technical stuff you can, this D section as much as you can enhance, because more stuff you have feasible in the D section only. So to make it 25 or 20 pages, this D section you can utilize for increase the content as per your learning, like framework, about Django framework, or about MySQL database. You can write the content and you can paste over there, okay. And if possible, add some programs also, like pseudo codes, you can say some sample program you can add in the this section itself, okay. That might be helpful. Like example, give one end-to-end flow. Like example, when a user come to the Django, when you click on the form, what is the page will come, enter the data, and after that, like maybe you can take the screenshots also, whatever the code you did in the maybe login registration screenshots or CRUD operation screenshots, you are doing practice, right? So same screenshot attach as like of as part of learning outcomes. So these are the skills I develop as part of internship. You can mention that. If you need any such kind of support also, our developers will always help you to make sure that clear this particular, even they are working with templates, right? Take some screenshots and templates also, like you are using one template, right? You can use that also. But the point is, this all content, simple straightforward content, don't make it more confused and more complex. Make it simple. While you are preparing your document or report, if you are getting any doubts or any what do you call it, blockers, please contact us. Will help us to resolve them, and we can help us to solve that problems, okay. And as I mentioned already, so offer letter, as you mentioned, if you want, you can ask them office, they will provide you. And the last but not least, the still we are giving this particular documentation to you, but still these classes will continue till the December 15. And we will focus on all the index, whatever you provide, everything will cover as part of these classes, along with this HTML CS class also. But as per my observation, as per the feedback coming from the developers, most of you people are not joining the classes regular basis. Try to please attend the classes regularly to get the knowledge, and please engage with the developers. Like I also mentioned, you people, if somebody really wants to come offline, yes, we are welcome. You people come offline, whatever your time convenient. Like example, our office starts from morning 9:30 to evening 6:30. This is the time of the office. In between the time, whenever you feasible, spend at least 1 hour or half an hour, come to the office and sit there and consult with your developer, ask the doubts, or ask the whatever you miss the practice, ask them and learn it. And also as initially committed, we are all the days we are giving recording, I mean the backup videos or recording videos. Please utilize them to understand the missing concepts, but try to understand, try to utilize the importance of these concepts, because if you really attend these classes or practice these things, it might help you to do the major project easily, and also for your future also it will be very helpful. So that's what my request. But as per my observation, many of you are not really regularly coming to the classes or attending the classes. I can understand you people are really little busy with your academics, but still spend some time, good time with these particular things, and you can at least weekly once or twice, maybe Saturday or any Monday, Friday, in between them, any one day, like you can come. If your morning class are completed, come to here and spend some 2 to 3 hours, and you can leave. You will get some satisfaction over there. Okay, so that is what I can say that. And after that, they from the college you require to submit weekly report. That is also from our side only be giving along with the sign, so you have to submit it. And still, if you, as I mentioned, right, if you have any questions or any questionnaire, always we welcome you people to clarify the things. Okay, I'm passing here to go for question and answers. So now you can ask any questions personally, or if you have, you can ask me, I will clarify. And also maybe tomorrow and next week I may take few classes which are pending from my side, like as a one agile class pending, and I taken one git introduction class. To the continuation I will take one more class. Okay, so that I will take from the maybe next week I will take, or maybe whenever I have feasibility I will take the classes as like today. But please regularly attend the class and take the advantage of backup class and do the practice. Okay, yeah, so please ask me if you have any doubts. Any questions, you can ping me in chat box also. Great. If you have any questions or any I mean to say doubts or any support if you require from my side, or if you need any help from my side, you can ping me in chat, or you can speak out right away right itself, or you can ping me personally in the WhatsApp also. I'm always here to listen your feedback or words. Any questions? Okay. Maybe you people are little busy. Let's take. I think someone Jatish has hand raised. Okay, sorry. I think you people cannot speak up. Huh? Okay, let me unmute you people all. Yeah, can you try now? Can you speak up? Can anyone speak up now? Okay, no, sir, by mistake. Okay, done, fine. And also, like as I mentioned, right, please inform to your friends also to utilize this service and to make you people available to this particular classes and everything. And by the way, like what is your feedback, like any of you, if you're attend the classes regular basis, so can anyone ping me in the chat box what is your feedback on the classes and how the development class is going on? Can anyone ping in the chat box if you are going if you go for regular basis? If you are attending one or two classes, don't tell me like I'm not understanding anything. But if you are at least attended the 50% or 60% of classes, can you ping in the chat box what is your feedback, how the thing, how the class going on, or is it really helpful for you? Can you ping in the chat? Ravicharan, Shravani, Manasa, and Prasanna. Can anyone? What do you go? Vinod, Lokesh, Raviteja. They all are so silent. Can anyone speak up or chat? No, you're too busy. Hello, hello. So at least can you confirm? Is it my voice is audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. At least you speak up. Okay, anything you want to share or nothing? No? Okay, okay. I don't want to trouble you people. Maybe if you want, you can even ping me in the to my number in the WhatsApp also. I can take definitely whatever your suggestions or feedbacks you have. I will take it implement, and I will make it sure that it won't be. It may what do you call it, improve myself also. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for all joining the class, and as we mentioned, right. So please prepare yourself for your all the documentation, and if you have any questions, please ask us. Okay. Thanks. Happy weekend, and we'll meet on by Monday. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Any last minute questions? No. Okay then.